Hey everyone, this is Josh Galvin with Tizish.com. On this video tutorial, I'm going to show you what a 301 redirect is, which basically lets you redirect one page to a specific other page of your choice. So here's what I mean. Let's say we have this page here called City Search, right? This is a normal functioning page. It lands you on the page called Search Homes by City as you expect. But let's just pretend for some reason if you have this page and you're like, you now want this page to pretty much forward to another page. That's what a 301 redirect is. And here's how you do that. What you have to do is go to the edit page function of whatever page you want to have forwarding to another page, and basically you do the following. Kind of like domain forwarding works. You know how if you got like johndoe.com and you also had like city name real estate finder.com and you could forward that domain to johndoe.com. This is the same concept but with individual pages in your system. So if you want to forward, let's say this, and by the way, the page example I'm using is only for the sake of the example. It wouldn't really make sense to forward your city search page to the page I'm about to tell you, the home search page here. So here's the whole point. You're in your city search page section now, right? In your edit your search homes by city, but you can make it any page, by the way. Remember that. Here's what you have to do to forward this page. It's called a 301 redirect. Go under SEO details and style and scroll to the bottom section that says 301 redirect to this page's URL. And what you have to do is simply enter the URL that you want to forward this page to here. So let's say we want to forward this page to Google. I'm just using that as an example. You wouldn't do that. But I entered google.com. Now what you're going to do is scroll up, hit update, and once it updates for sure, once you get the confirmation that page updated, let's go back now to our city search. Now you're going to see when I click on city search, when I hit refresh and then I click on the city search page, watch how it 301 redirects to google.com. There it goes. Now it's landing on Google instead of going to the regular search homes by city page. So just to show you, just to refresh your memory, here's what we did. You go under SEO details and additional style, and then you under the last option called 301 redirect this page's URL, enter the other page you want. So let's just pretend we wanted to go to our home search page, right, instead of search homes by city, or let's just say about page to make it completely obvious, or contact page. Let's say you could put any page you want. We have the contact page here now. So now I go back to update. We'll do this one really quickly actually. And once it updates, let's open up our home page. And when I click on city search, it's going to take me to the contact page because that's the page I just set. See? There it goes. So it's pretty straightforward how it works. If you have any questions on using this feature, or actually before we end this, you would use this feature if instead of deleting a page, let's say if you have a page that gets a lot of traffic and you end up needing to delete it or something, or you have a dead, or maybe you have a blog page that you want to go to a category. Here's an exact example. A lot of you have a page called How's the Market, all right? And this is actually the important one. A lot of you have a page called the Good or Bad Market. You have a page called How's the Market. But in your system, you also have a category called How's the Market. So what you might want to do is basically do the exact thing right here. Go to your pages, and you do that by going here, go to pages. And now in your pages, what you want to do is create your, either edit or create your How's the Market page. So I'll go to add new. And if you have this existing in your system, because most likely you either have this going to a category or you have it going to a How's the Market page. I recommend your Good or Bad Market or How's the Market button goes to a category like you see here. See how it goes to a category that's called How's the Market? Well, if you have a page there instead, we'll just make the category called How's the Market, make a page called that, or just edit your page that's called that, and in the 301 redirect, make it direct to your category called How's the Market instead. Alright? So what you have to do is just take the URL of How's the Market page and make it redirect here. So that way, if when I publish this page, and when you go to your page called How's the Market, it'll redirect properly to your category called How's the Market. Alright, as you see here. So now it properly goes to the right place. And now it's from a page. View page, it's going to take us to the category. So that might be one way you'll use it. Other ways are just going to be on a per individual basis. Alright, so that's everything. If you have any questions, go to facebook.com/Tizish and ask me there. Alrighty, well, good luck and have fun using the tool. Take care.